Plumber. A plumber is a person who works with water systems in homes, buildings, and other places. They install, repair, and maintain pipes, fittings, and fixtures that carry water, gas, and waste. Without plumbers, we would not have safe water in our homes, clean bathrooms, or working drainage systems. Their work is essential for keeping our homes and cities running smoothly. One of the main tasks of a plumber is installing new plumbing systems. This usually happens when a house or building is being built or renovated. The plumber will read blueprints or plans to understand where pipes, sinks, toilets, and other fixtures should go. They must install these systems carefully to ensure everything works well and is up to code, which means meeting safety and quality standards. Plumbers use many tools, such as wrenches, pipe cutters, and pliers, to fit the pipes together and secure them in place. Plumbers also repair broken or leaking pipes. A common issue is a water leak, which can happen if a pipe bursts or becomes worn out over time. Leaks can cause a lot of damage, such as flooding or mold, if they are not fixed quickly. When a plumber arrives at the scene of a leak, they must first find the source of the problem. This can involve removing parts of walls or floors to access the hidden pipes. Once they locate the leak, they will repair or replace the damaged section of the pipe. Clogged drains are another common problem that plumbers deal with. Over time, hair, grease, and other debris can build up inside pipes, causing water to drain slowly or not at all. Plumbers use tools like plungers or special drain snakes to remove these blockages. For more serious clogs, they may use hydrojetting, which involves blasting high-pressure water through the pipes to clear the blockage. Another important part of a plumber's job is maintaining plumbing systems. Regular maintenance can prevent many issues before they start. Plumbers may inspect pipes and fixtures to make sure they are in good condition, check for leaks, and clean out drains. They can also install filters or water softeners to improve the quality of the water. In commercial buildings, plumbers maintain large and complex systems, such as boilers and sewage systems. Plumbers work with many different types of systems. Besides water pipes, they also deal with gas lines, which are used to supply natural gas for heating and cooking. Working with gas lines requires extra safety measures because gas leaks can be dangerous. Plumbers must carefully check these systems to make sure they are safe and functioning properly. Some plumbers specialize in certain areas. For example, residential plumbers work mostly in homes, fixing common household problems like leaky faucets or installing new showers. Commercial plumbers, on the other hand, work in large buildings like schools, hospitals, or factories. These jobs can be more complex, as the plumbing systems in commercial buildings are often much larger and more intricate. There are also plumbers who focus on installing and repairing heating systems, or even those who work with sewage and drainage systems. To become a plumber, a person usually needs to go through training. This often involves completing an apprenticeship, which is a combination of classroom learning and on-the-job training. Apprentices learn how to install and repair plumbing systems, read blueprints, and follow safety codes. They work alongside experienced plumbers who teach them the skills they need to succeed in the trade. After finishing their training, apprentices must pass an exam to become licensed plumbers. Plumbers need to have good problem-solving skills. Every job is different, and sometimes the issue is not immediately obvious. A plumber must think critically and use their knowledge to figure out the best way to fix the problem. They also need to be detail-oriented, as a small mistake can lead to big problems later. For example, if a pipe is not properly sealed, it could start leaking and cause water damage. Physical strength and stamina are also important for plumbers. The job often involves lifting heavy tools and equipment, as well as working in tight spaces. Plumbers may need to crawl under sinks, climb ladders, or dig trenches to access pipes. It can be hard work, but plumbers know that their job is vital for keeping homes and businesses running. Safety is a big concern for plumbers. They work with water, gas, and sometimes hazardous materials, so they must follow safety procedures to protect themselves and others. This can include wearing protective gear like gloves and goggles, as well as using special tools to handle dangerous substances. Plumbers must also be careful when working in older buildings, where they may encounter lead pipes or asbestos, both of which can be harmful if not handled correctly. Technology has changed the way plumbers work. Today, many plumbers use advanced tools and equipment to make their job easier and more efficient. For example, video cameras can be used to inspect the inside of pipes without having to dig them up. This allows plumbers to quickly find and fix problems with less disruption. There are also digital systems that can monitor water flow and pressure, alerting plumbers to potential issues before they become major problems. Plumbers can find work in a variety of settings. Some work for large construction companies, while others are employed by maintenance departments in schools, hospitals, or other institutions. Many plumbers are self-employed, running their own businesses, and working directly with customers. Being self-employed allows plumbers to set their own schedules and choose the types of jobs they want to take on. In addition to fixing problems, plumbers also help improve homes and buildings. For example, they can install energy-efficient water heaters or upgrade old plumbing systems to save water. In today's world, where sustainability is becoming more important, plumbers play a key role in helping people conserve resources and reduce their environmental impact. The job of a plumber is both challenging and rewarding. Plumbers often work long hours and must be available for emergency calls, especially when there is a major leak or a broken pipe. However, they also get to see the immediate results of their work, knowing that they have helped someone by solving a problem. Whether they are installing a new system, fixing a leak, or unclogging a drain, plumbers play a vital role in our everyday lives. In conclusion, plumbers are essential workers who keep our homes, businesses, and cities running smoothly. Their job requires a mix of physical strength, technical knowledge, and problem-solving skills. Plumbers provide important services that ensure we have clean water, functioning bathrooms, and safe gas systems. They are the unsung heroes who work behind the scenes to keep everything flowing smoothly.